All right, guys, 1998 Pontiac Firebird. Look at this thing. It is clean. It's been in the family for a long time. He brought it to us. It's got the LS1 in it. So we're gonna let you guys see what we've done on it. Got factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it wires into a single, then 3-inch all the way back on top. And then what we did is a custom Y pipe. So we can do straight pipes on it. There it is, right there. Each side. And then out the back and put quad tips on it to complete the look. As you guys can see right there. So it's got a custom Y pipe we built to make it flow evenly between the two. There and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, please like, comment, subscribe. There's the old muffler that was on it. We took it off, give it a little bit more tone and sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Here we go. There we go. Now she sounds like a Pontiac. Yeah. That sounds so much better. Again. Sound decibels, guys. LS1. Again. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry, man. I just took a gallon of gas from you. That sounds good. I like it. One more. Yeah, we're not doing it inside, guys. It's got T-tops. So, it's a nice car still. I love it. Enjoy it, man. Straight